Alright, so today I'll be teaching you how to add a network to your MetaMask. That is, if you want to add a testnet network like Shardium, Arbitrum, etc. I'll teach you in this video how to add them. Now, obviously, this is for people who use PCs or PC browsers. So if you use the MetaMask mobile apps, you can go directly through there and add the networks. So for this video, let's get into it. The first thing you do is to search for MetaMask on your browser. See MetaMask extension. I'm using Google Chrome, by the way, but you can also use Opera. So you will click on the link to the Google Web Store, and it will take you to the MetaMask extensions link where it will show you here add to Chrome. For me, I've already added it, so it shows remove, but for you, you show add to Chrome. So all you have to do is click on it and accept, and it will download. Now when it downloads, obviously a pop-up will appear and it will ask you to add to save your phrase, your 12-word key, your 12-word seed phrase. Obviously, please keep it very safe. If you lose that phrase, it is gone and your wallet is lost forever. If it falls into the hands of unruly individuals, you will lose all money in your wallet. So keep it safe. Now, when you come to the wallet page, this is how it looks. This is on Ethereum, and as you can see, there's Linear, Phantom, and others that I've already added. Now at the bottom, you can see add network. So what I'm going to do is I will click add network. There are actually two ways, and I'm going to show you how to do them. One is manual, the other is automatic. So for the manual, you click on add network. So MetaMask now will take you to a page where it will show you a list of networks you can add, or you can add the network manually. This is the first method. So it will require you to add the network name, RPC URL, the chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL, which is optional. Now, the network name, let's take for example Ethereum. We'll use Ethereum. The network name is Ethereum mainnet. Then the RPC URL is what connects to that network's particular backend URL. So for the blockchain, each blockchain has a particular RPC URL which you have to make sure is accurate so that you do not add a fake blockchain or a bugged blockchain. Now the chain ID is a set of numbers depending on the blockchain. Each blockchain has different chain IDs, different numbers. Some can have 2 digits, some can have 4, some can have 5, depending on that specific blockchain. Then the currency symbol for Ethereum, the currency symbol is ETH. Then the block explorer URL. You know, most EVMs and Ethereum have block explorers. But almost all blockchains have block explorers to foster transparency in the blockchain. So the block explorer URL is just there so that it's an option. It's optional because you can choose to add it or not. And what it does is that whenever you have a transaction, you can view on the block explorer. So if it's added, it will take you there to show you the transaction that you've clicked on. Now the second method is to go to chain list. So chain list, now this is what you click on, chain list. So what chain list does is that they have already compiled EVM networks together, and they help you find the real network so that you do not have to do the manual work by yourself or struggle and find fake networks. So as they said, a list of EVM networks, you can find information to connect their wallets and Web3 middleware. Now, For people who have created their own EVM power networks, you can add your network, or you can even add an RPC. So my wallet is already connected to the app. But if I wanted to, this is how we would do it. I would disconnect, and as you can see now, it's asking me to connect my wallet. So click connect wallet. I'll choose the wallet, I'll choose the account I want to connect with, so I'll connect. Once connected, I can then search for any network, and here we include testnet. So let's say we want to do a testnet, want to include testnets. So include testnets, and let's say I'm looking for, I don't know, BSC. It will show all the networks that have BSC in them. So you can see BSC Smart Chain, Mainnet, BSC Smart Chain, Testnet, Obscure Testnet. So let's say I add Obscure Testnet. Don't try this normally. If you do not know the testnet or the network, do not add it unless you only add what you know you're adding. But for the purpose of this video, I'll say add to Metamask. And as you can see, the network name, network URL, the chain ID, the currency symbol, all of them will be added automatically to my wallet. I'll click add network, so it's currently adding. As you can see, Metamask does not verify the custom networks. So you can learn about scams and network security via this link. Guys, you can see there's an error while connecting to the custom link. Maybe it's a scam custom network. So I'll not add it. I'll add BNB Smart Chain Testnet. In all, you have to be very careful in everything you're doing. According to our records, the submitted RPC value does not match a known provider for this chain ID. So certain things like this will pop up on certain networks. So you have to be sure that the network you're adding is trustworthy. But for the purpose of this video, I'll just add it. Allow the site to switch. It has already been added. And now if I click on my MetaMask icon, you can see that BNB Smart Chain Testnet has been added to the network, has been added to my wallet, and I have 0 testnet BNB. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to add a network to your MetaMask. So till next time.